Welcome! Here's how to get started with uCaption. First, log on to uCaption.me. If you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked to connect uCaption with your Google account. We do not access any of your personal information. Then, be sure to input all the required information: your first and last name, country, state, and zip code. Great! Now you're ready to start using uCaption. When you first log into uCaption, you'll see the dashboard. Input all the information about your session, then click Create. After a brief moment, two things will change on the page. First, your session is now shareable. You can click this button to invite people to be editors of your session, meaning they can revise the captions and text. Or you can simply invite people to be viewers. Now that you've created your session and invited your editors or viewers, click Go to Session. When you're in a session, you'll see the caption box on the left, with a list of editors and viewers on the right. Editors are automatically assigned colors. Anytime they edit captions, their edits will be color-coded. Editors and the session host can create, type, and edit captions. To dictate captions, your device's voice recognition software must be turned on. Editing captions is easy. It's just like typing up a Word document or email. uCaption has several other features available for you to use. To start, every participant in a session can customize captions the way they like. First, click on the orange gear button on the upper right. This brings up a window where you can choose your customization options, including background and text color, font size and style, and spacing. There are a few more options to choose from. If you'd like your computer to speak any part of the text back to you, just highlight the text you want and push the Speak selected. Press Stop Speaking to reset. The Defaults button will change your customized captions back to the default settings. Delete Session will remove all record of your captioning session. Download will save the captioning session as a text file on your device. There are also some options that only editors can use. An editor can highlight text and select Capitalize Selection to capitalize all words that in the selection that come after a period. Editors can also select this button to invite additional participants as editors, or this button to invite additional participants as viewers. If you plan to host sessions regularly for the same group of users, we recommend creating a mail list, which will save you time. You have 3 options. When it comes to creating mail lists, first, you can upload a CSV file with all the emails in a single column. Name your list and click Upload. A CSV file can be created in a spreadsheet program like Excel. You can also create a list manually by entering emails yourself using Create Lists. Simply name your list. Then enter email separated by commas and click Add when you're ready. Finally, you can modify existing mail lists with the Modify List box. After selecting a list, you can add, edit, or delete emails. You can also delete an entire list. We hope that uCaption is easy and convenient to use, but here are some of the most common issues users ask about. If you are having trouble logging in or the login screen reloads, make sure you are logged in with the correct Gmail account, the one you used to sign up. uCaption does not work with any other email accounts at this time. If you speak but nothing is being captioned, make sure your device's voice recognition software is running. You may need to refer to your device or software manual for information on how to do this. Foreign language captioning also depends on the speech-to-text software you use. If you have additional questions, suggestions, or would like a uCaption demonstration, please contact us at uCaption@tdiforaccess.org.